Hi students, welcome back to the social science class. It is the last session of the chapter Seasons and Time. Hope all of you understood the previous classes. What are things we learned from that classes? Yes, it's about the apparent movement of the sun, facts associated with time zones, Greenwich time, standard time, international daytime, etc. Today we will learn about how to calculate time at each places. Example 1. Let us see the first example. What will be the time in India when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? What is the question here? Yes, we need to find the time of India when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. Whenever we do a problem for calculating time, first we draw the picture of Greenwich line and mention its longitude and time there. Then we understood that the time at Greenwich is 12 noon. For finding India's time, we mention India in that figure. We know that India lies in 82.5 degree east of Greenwich meridian. So we mention India there and we need to find the time of India. So next we write longitudinal difference of India and Greenwich. We know that India is 82.5 degree east of Greenwich meridian. So we write 82.5 degree. That means the longitudinal extents between India and Greenwich meridian is 82.5 degree. Next, we need to find the time taken for covering these longitudes. So we write time taken to cover 82.5 degree longitude. We know that each longitude covers 4 minutes. So we multiply 82.5 into 4. When we multiply 82.5 with 4, we get 330. So we now know that the time duration between India and Greenwich meridian is 330 minutes. See, it is in minutes form. So we need to convert it into hours. For that, we divide 330 by 60. When we divide 330 by 60, we get 5 and 30 is remaining here. Listen it carefully. Here 5 is the hours and remaining 30 is minutes. So we know that the time duration between India and Greenwich meridian is 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Then we know that India is located to the east of Greenwich meridian. So time exceeds here. Then what will be the time in India? Can anyone know how to find the answer? Yes. We need to add 5 hours 30 minutes with 12 noon. When we add 5 hours 30 minutes with 12 noon, we get, look, 12 noon plus 1, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. plus 30. That means 5 hours 30 minutes. That means 5:30 p.m. Hope all of you understood it. Example 2. Next example is, what will be the time in Japan when it is 11 p.m. on Monday in India? See here, two places are mentioned, Japan and India. Standard meridian of Japan is also mentioned. First of all, we will draw the figure to locate the places. We know that India's standard meridian is 82.5 degree east, so we will write it here. From the question, we know that standard meridian of Japan is 135 degree east. So we will write it on the figure. From the figure, we also know that Japan is located to the east of India. Next, we have to find the time here. Then we will write longitudinal extent of Japan from India. For that, we have to subtract India's standard meridian from Japan's standard meridian. Then we get 52.5. Then we have to find the time duration to cover 52.5 longitudes. For that, multiply 52.5 into 4. Then we get 210 minutes. When we convert it into hours, we get 3 hours 30 minutes. Here, India's time is 11 p.m. on Monday. So we add 3 hours 30 minutes to 11 p.m. So the time in Japan will be 2:30 a.m. the next day of Monday. That is Tuesday. Okay, have you understood? Let's conclude our class. What are the points you need to remember for calculating the time? Calculate the longitudinal difference. Calculate the time to cover those longitudes. Add or subtract that time according to direction. Hope all of you understood this chapter. Today I will give you some additional questions for calculating time. Try to find its answers. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, inform us through class WhatsApp group. See you again next class with new chapter. Thank you.